Okay, so I'm going to show how to convert audio into text. So let's say you have a audio file, and so I'm using Wondershare
Good evening for
Filmora
those
13, and so you can drag it in. Looks like it's kind of like Movie Maker. Then I right click, I go to speech to text. You want to select the SRT, no translation, you want English. I say okay. It'll take a few minutes. Okay, so when it's done, we can just close this, and then you're going to have the captions there, see? So all the words. So you can just right click that, and then you go to, hang on, go to export subtitle file, and then it'll be an SRT file. So then we're going to go to Notepad. We're going to open that. So you want to make sure you select all files, open the SRT file, and then we're going to file save as. We're going to change it to a TXT save. Then we go to Excel. So I did this before. So what I'm going to do, go to data, say from text. Okay, you're going to pick the TXT file we just had, import it. Okay, we're going to select the limited. We'll say next. I'm going to just choose, I'm just going to choose a comma here just to get rid of some of the things we don't want. Say next. Then we want general, say finish. And it's going to put it in A1. Okay, so we don't need the timestamps. I'll delete those columns. Now, how do we quickly get rid of all the numbers here? I'm going to scroll down to the bottom of our spreadsheet and then click there, scroll back up, holding shift click. You push Control G. Special, we want to get rid of all the blanks, say OK. Then it'll highlight every single blank. You're going to go back to home and you go to delete up here, delete sheet rows, and then there it is. All the blanks are gone. We want to get rid of the numbers now. So same thing, highlight everything, Control G, special. This time click constants. We want to get rid of all the numbers here. Keep the text, make sure that one's blank. Say OK. It highlights those, delete sheet rows, and then we're left with just text. And then here we can post it into, say, Word, and then we're done.